Denim is the quintessential American fabric, yet its possible origins are spread across the globe. The fabric may have originated before the 17th century in Dungaree, India, as coarse cloth for workers, eventually called dungaree, or in Genoa, Italy, where trousers were made out of sailcloths, and there's the cloth from Nîmes, France, known as serge de Nîmes, which is where perhaps we get the word denim. Not always, but very often, these various types of cloth were dyed blue, probably to hide dirt. So there you have it, blue denim.